The timeless appeal of dark hardwood floors. Reason to choose dark hardwood floors. Dear friends, there's no question that dark hardwoods bring an unmatched level of sophistication to a home. They're modern, elegant, and are becoming increasingly popular among area homeowners. Beyond looks, dark wood floors have many practical and stylistic benefits. They are less likely to fade. Darker hardwoods are less susceptible to fading over time. Dark colors, in general, absorb less light, and the same goes for floors. Overall, this means that you won't have to refinish dark wood floors as often as you would with lighter floors, which saves you money in the long run. They are great for disguising scratches. Another great benefit of dark floors is that they tend to show off the grain of the wood much better. Not only does this make the floors intricate and beautiful, it also helps disguise any unwanted scratches. They complement your furniture. Dark floors are perfect for all styles of decor. They complement a wide variety of colors and can make your furniture really stand out. You'll never have to worry about redecorating to match your floors. Tips for choosing a dark wood floor. While any hardwood can be given a dark stain, specific species of wood to consider are red oak, white oak, maple, and birch. These woods take dark stain especially well. Although pricier, hickory and walnut are other species to consider that have beautiful color variations and are favorites among dark hardwood enthusiasts. Also, dark floors tend to look the best with a lower gloss finish such as satin or matte. This will give your floors a modern look and help to hide dust and dirt. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.